Your Holiness.
You're very welcome.
Thank you so much. It's the second time to meet you.
Yes,
It's the
yes.
inauguration,
Right.
if you remember. Yes.
You can. Okay. Please.
Thank you so much.
Somewhere it's,
It is actually much worse in Montenegro, so...
it's worse there?
It's... So this is the miraculous icon of Our Lady of the Rock, Roca Bay. They had a sight of appearing above in the mountains, and they had all about it. And they bringing stones in the middle of the sea and building an island. After 100 years, they built this island where there's a beautiful Baroque church now. And every 22nd of July, of the feast of Mary Magdalene, bring and even Orthodox come to this church. It's a beautiful church, and this is the icon and the story behind.
Very nice.
So like this.
Very nice. Grapevine and how every description of the. This book here is a presentation of many of the different artistic works that are in the Apostolic Palace here. So I'll go today. You see a few of the.
So we are really looking forward to that date.
All right.
Yes.
Very good.
Thank you so much,
so
Your Holiness. Yes.
Thank you.